Jai Vigyan, dear student. Till last session we had learned about the construction of lines, construction of line segment, construction of perpendicular bisector, construction of circle and all. Okay. Now in this session we are going to learn construction of angles, then construction of copy of the angle, whatever angle given we have to copy, construction of bisector and angle of spatial measure. So as we all know that to draw and measure the angle we need a protractor. So protractor, scale and all this instrument we will need to draw or measure the angle. Now let us begin with constructing an angle of given measure. Constructing an angle of given measure. Constructing an angle of given measure. Now let us see, for example, let us construct angle ABC is equal to 50 degree. Angle ABC is equal to 50 degree. So to construct this, first we need to draw a line like this, or so we can say first we need to draw a ray like this. Here ABC, it means that the vertices of this angle will be B, here it will be C. Now we have to draw angle ABC is equal to 50 degree. So we will take it here. Now as I told you that how to see whether we have to use this measurement or this measurement, because here 50 is here also and 50 is here also. So we have to see that on which zero this baseline is there. Again I am repeating, here we have to see that on which zero this baseline is there. ये baseline कौन से जीरो पे है? इस जीरो पे है तो ये वाला मेजरमेंट करना है, अगर इस जीरो पे है तो ये वाला मेजरमेंट करना है, यहाँ पर इस जीरो पे है तो हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. Now we need to draw or like this, let it be A. So we can say that angle ABC is 50 degree. Here angle ABC is 50 degree. So in this way we can draw angle this. Let's draw one more angle, that is, let us draw one obtuse angle. For example, second one, angle PQR is equal to, let us see, 130 degree. Angle PQR is equal to 130 degree. So for that also first we need to draw a line, a ray like this. So this is the ray Q, you can say R. Now again with the help of protractor, here we can see that again on this zero is there, so we have to measure here this, and the line this is will be, let it be P. So angle PQR is equal to 130 degree. Another way to see whether we have to use this measurement or this measurement is, suppose here it is 50 degree, 50 degree is smaller than 90 है ना. 90 यहाँ पे हमें पता है 90 स्ट्रेट आता है, ठीक है, तो स्मॉलर देन 90 मतलब 90 के नीचे आएगा तो ये 50 डिग्री होगा. सेम वे यहाँ पर 130 डिग्री इज बिगर देन 90 मतलब 90 जो है वो 90 से बड़ा आएगा, ठीक है, तो वी कैन यूज दिस वन. ओके, नाउ let us see the another topic, that is constructing a copy of angle. Let's see, copy of angle. Copy of angle means to draw the copy of angle. First we have to draw one angle and then we need to copy it. Okay, so how to copy the angle means first let us draw one angle. Let it be angle MNO. This is angle MNO. Now we don't know the measurement of, we have to draw the copy of this angle. So to draw the copy of this angle, first we have to draw a line like this. इसके जैसे एक लाइन बनानी पड़ेगी. पहले हम एक लाइन बना लेंगे. Let this line be, we can say N कर दो, ये O कर दो, तो इसका कॉपी करेंगे अब हम. ठीक है. नाउ टू कॉपी, अब हमें प्रोटेक्टर यूज नहीं करना है. विदाउट यूजिंग प्रोटेक्टर वी हैव टू कॉपी ऑफ दिस एंगल. तो अगर प्रोटेक्टर यूज नहीं करना है तो दूसरा कौन सा ऑप्शन रहेगा हमारे पास? इफ वी डोंट वांट टू यूज प्रोटेक्टर देन वी हैव टू यूज अ कंपास, दैट इज राउंडर. ये वाला कंपास हम यूज करेंगे. फर्स्ट फ्रॉम हियर एंड विथ कन्वीनियंट रेडियस, कोई भी एक रेडियस लेके हम यहाँ पर एक आर्क ड्रॉ करेंगे ऐसे. यहाँ पर एक आर्क ड्रॉ करेंगे ऐसे. दिस इज अवर आर्क लाइक दिस. देन विद द सेम रेडियस सेम लेना है एंड वी विल ड्रॉ वन मोर आर्क हियर. यहाँ पर एक आर्क ऐसे ड्रॉ करेंगे. नाउ इसका कॉपी करना है तो हम यहाँ पे एक रखेंगे और दूसरा यहाँ पे, मतलब इन दोनों सेम होने चाहिए. देखो 1 पॉइंट हियर एंड 1 पॉइंट हियर. उसके बाद विथ सेम रेडियस एक आर्क ड्रॉ करेंगे यहाँ पे. देन इनको ज्वाइन कर देंगे. ये हो गया. सपोज इसको M है तो ये दोनों एग्जैक्टली कॉपी हो जाएंगे. इनकी कॉपी हो गई है. देखो फॉर एग्जांपल इसको अगर हम मेजर करते हैं देन इट विल बी 45 डिग्री. इसको मेजर करेंगे तो ये भी हो जाएगा एग्जैक्टली 45 डिग्री. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन कॉपी द एंगल. Now let us come toward the next topic, that is bisector of angle. So bisector of angle मतलब जैसे हमने लाइन का bisector निकाला उसी तरह से हम निकालेंगे bisector of angle. ठीक है. तो bisector of angle, for bisector of angle सबसे पहले तो हमें एक एंगल ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. Let us draw one angle. ये एक एंगल है, इसका हमें बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करना है. लेट दिस एंगल बी एक्स वाई एंड जेड. लेट दिस एंगल बी एक्स वाई एंड जेड. नाउ वी नीड टू ड्रॉ इट बाइसेक्टर. अब इनका बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करना है तो देन विथ कन्वीनियंट रेडियस, कोई भी एक रेडियस लेके हम क्या करेंगे, इनको ये कर देंगे. एक यहाँ पे एक आर्क खींचेंगे. फिर सेम रेडियस, विथ सेम रेडियस वी विल ड्रॉ वन आर्क हियर. ये वाला सेंटर लेंगे. इसको अगर हमने आर्क खींचा तो इसको हम ए दे सकते हैं, इसको बी दे सकते हैं. सो विथ सेंटर ए, विथ सेंटर ए वी विल ड्रॉ वन आर्क हियर. ए सेंटर लिया, एक आर्क हम यहाँ पे खींचेंगे. देन सेंटर बी वी विल ड्रॉ वन मोर आर्क हियर. फिर इन दोनों को ज्वाइन कर देंगे. सो नाउ दिस suppose if it is where they intersect, if it is O, then YO is the bisector of angle XYZ. So YO, we can say that it is the bisector of angle X, Y and Z. Now we will come toward the next topic, that is angle of spatial measure. Some angle of spatial measure. Angle of spatial measure. Now there are some angles which are spatial measure. We can say that 60 degree, 30 degree, 120 degree, 15 degree, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105. This all multiple of this 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree, 90 degree, then you can say 105, 120, 135, 150, 165 and 180 degree. These all are spatial angles, we can say. Now how to construct this spatial angle? We don't have to use protractor here. With the help of only compass we will draw this spatial angle. Let us begin. First we will draw one line in a center. यहाँ से हमने एक लाइन ड्रॉ की है ऐसे, ये हो गया हमारा सेंटर. लेट इट बी O, here let it be AO. Okay, now first we have to, with any convenient radius, we need to draw one arc, full arc like this. एक आर्क हमें ड्रॉ करना है ऐसे फुल्ली, like this. This is the arc now. ये हमारा आर्क हो गया. नाउ ये इनको सेंटर लेना है, विथ सेंटर दिस, एंड वी नीड टू ड्रॉ वन आर्क लाइक दिस. दिस इज अवर 60 डिग्री. फर्स्ट हमने बनाया है यहाँ पर 60 डिग्री. तो ये जो एंगल हुआ हमारा, दैट इज अवर 60 डिग्री. दिस एंगल, सपोज B, एंगल AOB, we can write angle AOB is our 60 degree. Then let us draw angle 120 degree. 120 degree if you want to do with the same, this is 60 degree, तो इसका डबल कर देंगे, तो that it will be 120 degree. If this is C, then angle AOC is 120 degree. In the same way, if we want to draw the 180 degree, so from here, this 180 degree मतलब straight line ही होगा. Straight angle है तो straight line it will be. We can draw like this. This is our 180 degree. Now इसमें हमें अगर 30 डिग्री ड्रॉ करना है, देन 60 डिग्री का बाइसेक्ट कर देंगे तो 30 डिग्री हो जाएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल ये यहाँ पे ड्रॉ किया हमने, एक यहाँ पे ड्रॉ किया, देन यहाँ पे ड्रॉ किया, देन इट विल बी, ये हो गया हमारा 30 डिग्री. एंगल AOD is equal to 30 degree. We can write here, let us give here E. Angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Angle AOC is equal to 120 degree. Angle AOE is equal to 180 degree. In the same way we can say angle AOD is equal to 30 degree. So 90 degree also if you want to draw, so radius more than half of this. 90 degree means between 60 and 120 degree. So radius more than half of this. We can draw here one and another we can draw here. So it will be our let it be F. We can say here angle AOF is equal to 90 degree. Now if we want to see that whether this all are correct or not, see. Now we can see that angle AOB is 160 degree. Then angle AOC, see this angle AOC is 120 degree. Then angle AOE is 180 degree. This is 30 degree. So in this way we can draw other also. For example 15 degree if we want to draw, then we can intersect here, we can bisect this 30 degree and we will get 15 degree. Similarly here also between 30 and 60 we will get 45. Here we will get 75. Here we will get 105. 150 we will get here. So in this way we can draw all these special kind of angle. Now let us see exercise 14.6. Exercise 14.6. In that let us see question number 1. Question number 1 is draw angle POQ of measure 75 degree and find its line of symmetry. First we have to draw angle POQ of 75 degree. And then we have to find its line of symmetry. So POQ, so let it be O, it will be Q. Then with the help of protractor first we will draw 75 degree angle. Here it is 75. So POQ, this is our 75 degree angle. Now we have to draw it line of symmetry, means it bisector we have to draw. Line of symmetry means, so with convenient radius, with any radius we can draw one arc like this. ये एक आर्क ड्रॉ किया हमने. देन रेडियस मोर देन हाफ ऑफ दिस, एक आर्क यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करेंगे हम. क्लियर. एंड देन एक आर्क यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करेंगे. नाउ विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्केल वी कैन let it be C. So we can say that OC is line of symmetry for, we can say therefore ray OC is line of symmetry for angle POQ. So in this way we can draw line of symmetry for angle POQ. Then in question number 2, 3 and 4 it is same as we had done here. We just have to divide it, or we have to just find out its bisector. Let us see question number 5. Question number 5 is construct with the ruler and compass angles of the following measure. In that first is 60 degree. Just now we had done how to draw 60 degree. Okay. So we all know that how to draw 60 degree. First we have to draw one line segment like this. This here. let it be B, it be C here. Then with convenient radius and center this B, we need to draw one arc like this. This is our arc like this. Then with center this, we need to draw one angle like this, and then we have to join it. A, so we can say that angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. Angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. Now in the same way B, that is 30 degree, you can bisect it and draw 30 degree. Now let us see angle C, that is 90 degree. Angle C, let it be 90 degree. So for 90 degree also, first we need to draw one line. We need to draw one line here like this. Let it be Q, here it be R. Now with convenient radius, any radius you can, and with center Q, we need to draw one arc like this. ये R हो गया. Then here it will be 60 degree, we know here it will be 60 degree. Then here it will be 120 degree. We know that 90 degree is between 60 and 120. So with radius more than half of this, we need to draw one arc here and another arc here, and then we need to join this both. So that will be our 90 degree. Let it cut at P. So we can say that therefore angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Now see, D we are going to do 120, but E is here 45. So when you have to draw 45, first you will draw 90 degree and then you bisect it. It will be 45 degree. So D is 120 degree. So for 120 degree also, first we have to draw a line like this. Let it be E, F. Now again with the help of compass, we are going to do one arc here like this. This arc we have drawn. Now with center this point, we are going to draw one angle. This is our 60 degree and this will be our 120 degree. So we are going to join this and it will be DEF. So we can say that angle DEF is equal to 120 degree. Angle DEF is equal to 120 degree. So in this way we can draw others angle also. For example, 135 if we have to draw, then it will be between 120 and 150. So we can draw by here. Now let us see question number 7. Question number 7 says that draw an angle of measure 135 and bisect it. So first we have to draw angle of 135 degree. So let us say angle MNO is equal to 135 degrees. So first we have to draw angle MNN is equal to 135 degree. So first we have to draw angle 35 degree, 135 degree. So here we will draw with the help of protractor. First we will draw angle 135 degree. It is special angle, so if you want to draw with the ruler and compass, that also it is possible to draw with the ruler and compass. Now this is, we can say, our angle MNO. Angle MNO is equal to 135 degree. Now with convenient radius we can draw one arc with convenient radius like this. Okay, now as we know that with more than half of this, say half of this, means this, here we need to draw one arc like this, and from here another end we need to draw one arc like this, then join this, let it be P. So we can say here that ray NP is bisector of angle MNO. So ray NP is bisector of angle MNO. Now let us see question number 8. Question number 8 is draw angle of 70 degree and make a copy of it using, first we have to draw the angle of 70 degree. Let us say angle PQR is equal to 70 degree. पहले हम एंगल बनाएंगे 70 डिग्री का. Here like this. This is our angle PQR. This is angle PQR, which is 70 degree. अब इसकी copy we have to make. So here we have to make QR. Copy बनानी है इसकी. अब with convenient radius we can draw one arc here like this. ये एक arc draw हो गया. So in the same way we need to draw one arc here also with this. ये arc हो गया. Now we need to measure this distance. ये वाला distance measure करेंगे हम. ये फिर this center this and same radius this, ये काट देंगे हम. तो now we are going to join this. So this is both are copy of each other. The PQR is copy of PQR. So here we end our exercise 14.6 and we also end our chapter 14, and here we also end our syllabus. This all exercise you have to do in your notebook. Thank you.